Dear USA, all nations, and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read this sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. All nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all on the same page on this record that I'm providing a very, very crucial, very, very important civil justice sign off for myself and multitasking. With that said, I will quickly run through this civil justice. Yes, my dear fellow mankind, we are on a very highest note, a very highest overview. It is all about the hotels. Yes, and yes, and yes. When I was working on the Poverty Free Earth end of the year 2030 volunteer project, I educated about this hotel scandal as well, right? And now here you go, all the hotels are shut down, right? Sealed down. Means people are witnessing the scandal as is mode and guarded that I'm not joking. Whatever the President Trump and the thing they provided with the robocall poverty mandate, it's all related with this COVID-19 itself. And I'm displaying the crime, that's all. And I proved it, right? So it's a puking time. So you all puke and I will get the rightful justice for myself. I have to get the salary, I have to get all the national benefits, right? The justice teams, they are prostitutes after all. They are purest form of prostitutes. And I proved, right? When justice teams don't know what is difference between justice and the injustice, that's a scam. That's a crime. Today, the people, whoever signed injustice to me, will have to say whether they know what is Holy Bible or they have to say they don't know Holy Bible. And I do not want to waste more time. Sorry, I'll keep going on. So you all know what is hotel, right? So I have to step in and I educated what is hotel, what is lodge, what is motel, and how even that create discrimination. And how when people for the vacation they have to spend that much dollars for that hotel stay per night, that comes along with the travel budgeting, isn't it? Along with the ticketing. If, if they are going for a road trip, then that's different. That's also they have to pay for the gas anyways. No. So there's a scandal everywhere. I was just checking out where is poverty, who is creating poverty. Then I have to analyze these hotels also, right? Marriott, Holiday Inn. We all know, we all been there, right? We all are on the same boat on the hotels, the travels, and the vacations. What not? We all have been there. So, but only thing we never knew, we all have been paying extra tax, state tax, sales tax, everything. Because those hotels are all funded and provided, the sponsors, right? The dollars was provided by Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis. Worldwide it is there, right? And it's all a scam. And I just proved it, and I'm proving it. This COVID-19, can you all see? One side COVID-19 is a scandal, but even in that scandal, humans with the God-given eyes are witnessing the live crime. People cannot hide. These hotels cannot run and hide, isn't it? Do you all think Holiday Inn or the higher-end Marriott or the Hilton Hills, the hotels, can they run and hide? No. All those facilities are shut down, or people who are there are still there wearing the mask or whatever, because they have to survive their business, right? Can you see how I displayed all the crime? It's a multitasking after all, right? Yes, my dear fellow mankind, when I say hotels, types, agencies, nations, people will immediately, oh yeah, that lady, the Vedapriya, oh yeah. She was displaying all the scandals of the hotels as well when she was working in Poverty Free at the end of the year 2030 volunteer project. So it's all boiling up to what? Tax. Can you get it? It's all boiling up to what? Tax. Okay, then it's all tracing where? Did you all ask for hotels? Did I ask for hotels? It's the nations themselves they provided. The Department of Health Services only signed all these hotels to be healthiest, isn't it? So they provide those sales tax for them. Even in the hotels, if you're going to stay, when you go and get anything from they will have their own restaurant. If there's a breakfast in the vacation stay, then that's a different package. But then, when you're going to sit and have a food in the hotel, it is skyrocketing. It is super costliest there. Right? So this COVID-19, one side is a scam, and the other side it also educated entire human kingdom what? The reality, the real crime. That again provided the quarantine, right? All the hotels been quarantined. Quarantine is a process where when there is a pandemic kind of a disease, the medical services, they eliminate, they group people. Oh, this, like that. And when they group, they will easily identify the true creator of that disease. So now we all know, we all got it. It is Queen Elizabeth II who's been creating all this crap. So that means even the holiday stays and those vacation packages all must be reformed. The ticketing processing must be reformed, isn't it? The airline ticketing must be reformed. The cruise ship ticketing must be reformed. They are all super costly. And above all, tax. So, but then when you go into the big corporations, these CEOs or the higher official managers, they get a lot of perks. They get a lot of bonuses. They can go free on these kind of vacations. They can go to free to visit the Walt Disney parks, either in California or in Florida, free. It comes along with their company packages. Those expenses are all free. And higher officials, if at all they want to go for a traveling charts, right? They get to stay free in these hotels. They get to eat free in these hotels, and company gets to pay it. Yeah, but then these people, when they are going to see any beggars or paupers, they will just thrash them, they will throw them out, right? As if they are not humans, as if only the people in these hotels are only humans, only they will treat the people. That is wrong. So can you see among all these things, it's been the middle class population have been impacted very badly, right? Even they go for vacations. Middle class family also, they save that money for vacation package and they go. But even if it's not costly, even for the national recreation parks, they go, they do camping, they go. People can enjoy the recreation anywhere, as long as it is going to create that mental health, wellness, then it's a vacation, right? Even sitting in the backyard and enjoying the nature and just having a small camping and a grilling, it's just fun, isn't it? And putting a loud music and just listening, or dancing, or shouting and laughing out laughter with healthy jokes. That's fun. That's how people should be every day, celebrating the festival of love, isn't it? So the recreation can be of any nature. People can go to the parks and go run around the park, or walk around the park, or walk around the lakes and enjoy the nature. That's also recreation only. That's a free recreation after all. Yes, if it is long distance, people love for long drive, they just drive and enjoy the scenic and be there in the camping site and enjoy the nature. That's also recreation. It's a lot of work. There are people who are fans of camping, there are people who do not like camping because of the work that needs to be put together as a team, right? It's a lot of work, but it's still enjoyable, fun, family time, or whatever time people can enjoy. But then this travel became tax, right? Even if you go to the recreation parks, that's a tax. Even in the recreation places, if you go to the parks or the lakes where there's a convenience stores where they can provide food, if you want to pay, there's a tax. That's a crime. It's all created by Pope Francis. And yes, my dear fellow mankind, where all nations guarded worldwide, only because of my education. And that means even when I'm slapping all the national governments, they must be happiest for me, because there should always be a wisest always to stand up and guide, right? Always, it's forever, it's a track record. People love wise people. So this session is about what? Hotel types. Now tell me, what did, yes, if it is going, it's 11 minutes, I'll make sure it's less than 20 minutes, okay? So what did the Dr. Fauci and Dr. Birx provided COVID-19 guidelines for hotels? Nothing, right? Zero, isn't it? They were busy only marketing for masks. And the mask cost what? $20. That is, I'm talking about the reusable ones. $5, even whatever I got from the grocery, that $5 one is a reusable one. But then there is, the disposable mask. How much of dollars they've been eating for the past year alone. That is wrong, isn't it? When how many people wanting for basic essentials, in the name of basic essentials, they just threw assets on the face of poverty population. That is wrong. Are they doctors? I don't think so. In my book of Civil Law, they are not even humans. I don't even consider Dr. Fauci and Dr. Prince as humans. No. I do not want to talk to them. They lost all eligibility to apologize to entire human kingdom for whatever they did to the humanity. $20 for a mask. And then out of that scandal, these retailers, they want to sell. The business logic is always what? They are business people. They want to make dollars. Be it Old Navy, be it Amazon, be it Walmart, be it Target. They started to create all the sports branded mask and printing mask, as if mask, through that mask, it's as if those masks are going to stay there forever. Do they have any common sense? Does Walmart and Target and Amazon have any common sense? Even when the doctor said that they have to wear the mask forever, do they have any common sense? I will ask Walmart CEO to eat the mask. But there's that innocence, right? The Walmart, Amazon, they never know that the mask itself is created as a scandal part. They got freaked out. Well, see, when the fear is created, everybody will get freaked out, isn't it? Everybody will get freaked out. And that is exactly what they did. And because of that fear that was enforced, the mask was created in huge numbers, in huge volumes. They can fool people like you and me. They have to answer the God, isn't it? It is Dr. Fauci and Dr. Brinks have to answer the God. I don't know whether they have even conscious nerve with them. It's an absolute display, isn't it? How many hotels? How many facilities? How many hotel facilities worldwide? It's not only in USA. Worldwide is there. Hotel, lodges and motel. It's a big industry as its own. It's an ocean, right? You go to Dubai, those skyscrapers are hotels. Only kings can go there. Means Queen Elizabeth can go there and enjoy that hotels. Middle class families cannot afford that. When middle class family cannot afford that much amount of vacation cost, population cannot, right? The average homeless people cannot. Yes, my dear fellow mankind, this moment it will be the Facebook, the Google, the Apple. They were all working side by side. The software world were working side by side with me, right? They must have easily relate to me. Oh, yes, this is the lady, confirmed. Do you all know why? Yes, again it went long, right? But that's okay. It's already 16 minutes. I will say one more testimony. Nobody knew what is vacation. Yes, my dear fellow, please do not laugh. It's not funny. It's never funny, right? Because I'm working on a very, very complex issue here. Nobody knew what is vacation. So again, I have to step in and educate what is vacation, how middle class family have to save in that saving budget, in the income they provide a savings, right? In that saving, that type will be also for vacation. Everybody does that. It's a universal law. Whether it can be $1 or a $2 or, save little by little to go for a vacation. It's a family vacation, right? Every day people cannot vacate because as long as they have it goes by case basis. Nobody can define how much they have to spend on the vacation. Nobody can define. But then there is that cutoff level, right? Minimum $5,000 must be provided for each family for a vacation. Whether they have children, whether they do not have children, I'm just providing a minimum. If they're going to have head counts more, then it'll be more. But I'm just providing a minimum $5,000 is needed for a vacation, right? For gasoline, for cooking, for food, for commuting, for air flight ticket. If you're going to rent a car in a different state or wherever vacation, that cost, right? Everything comes up. Everything accumulates to, I'm talking about the minimum $5,000, and that too only if you get a good package or a sales deal. But it will be too much costly. People cannot just afford it. So I stepped in and educated. Each civilian must have that vacation. It helps. It helps the civilians. Even in the workplace, they need to have that vacation. Then it helps for them to have that brain to be recharged, to again come back to the work and start into that work. And when I provided that wisdom education, there were so many companies, not big giants, and I don't know whether they provided that, but there were other software world companies worldwide, right? They came up with that idea of providing mandate, you have to go work, family vacation mode process. And some company even came up with paying for the vacation process. So I educated that. Without my education, nobody knew what is vacation. So can you all see how on a very, 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 these are all very basic, important, cherishable moments of each and every single civilian's life, isn't it? These are all family moments. Those should never be missed out in their entire lifetime, because once when they are aged, when they are gone, it's gone. They are not going to get back those days back again, isn't it? But then, with all this tax, with all this crime that's been provided by Pope Francis, can you see, Pope Francis never loves to take vacation, never loves to that nature, nothing. He will not live and he will not even allow other people to live. That's the kind of a crap he is. And Queen Elizabeth is also saying, if you go to any vacation spot, it's all owned by Queen Elizabeth too. That's why you have to pay a tax. Everything boiled up to tax, my dear fellow. I mean, that is crime. That is crime. I don't know about my peers. I love vacation. I'm not ashamed to say that I like to take vacation. I like to go for vacation long. I already educated that I love long drives, isn't it? So tell me what went wrong in humanity. How many people would have gone for cruise ships? It's very costly, isn't it? Middle class family cannot afford it. How many people would have gone? So what went wrong? Tax. They were making $1 trillion from this hotel business alone. Each nation gets business out of hotel business alone. Now hotels are all shut down, sealed. People guarded, isn't it? People guarded how they were providing crime. And how population, innocent population, have been paying lots of dollars, shelling out those dollars without any awareness in the name of tax, right? They were thinking, when they're seeing the bill, they are thinking, oh, the tax is a healthy one, they have to pay the tax. But no, my dear fellow mankind. So this is what I was educating. And you all know that robocall itself was created for tax only. I already educated. You might have seen that, heard about that voice message, isn't it? Right? So, yeah. So, what went wrong? President Trump is a real estate mogul. So he himself owns a lot of hotels, lot of towers, Trump towers here and there, worldwide, isn't it? So nobody can run and hide. Everything is, it's live display right now. So what exactly went wrong? What went wrong? What went wrong? What exactly went wrong? You all keep working on it, and I will quickly read through this. And yes, everybody who worked with me, the Poverty Free Earth End of the Year 2030 Volunteer Project, must be happiest being aware it is I am that I am. There is more crime display for you all to puke. You'll keep puking. Don't you all think Vatican City, St. Peter's Basilica facility, don't you all think that facility must be filled with all your puke? 7.9 plus billions of humans puking. That puke must be filled in that facility, isn't it? And that itself must burn Pope Francis in ashes. Don't you all think so? These people, these Islam leaders, these queen, they are all like that Egypt kings, right? They do not live and they cannot live, they will not even allow other peers to live happily. Never. Never. For them, they want to keep that population in the finance begging mode, dependent mode. Always, all the time. That is wrong, my dear fellow mankind. Yes, it went 24 minutes. Okay, I will quickly read through this one more time. Republica at fault found guilty, prostitutes at fault found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Republican government, and at fault found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Democrat government, USA FCC retails hotel types agency, nations agency created robocall poverty mandate is proved and enforced poverty disability to I Vedapriya Prose on October 2018. Because that entire year, that was when I tracked down that Italy Borsa stock exchange, and boom, that was the last piece of the puzzle for me to crack down the entire scandal and nail down on the forehead of Pope Francis. That was the last piece of the puzzle. And I was saying, people should never pay tax in any form. Nations, it must be the USA that must pay the tax for entire human kingdom. That's exactly I was educating. And October 2018, just to steal my rightful Supreme Judge job, just to steal my rightful job, they created the poverty scar on me. What would you all have done? You all keep working on those answers, okay? I do not want you all to discuss with your peers to get those answers. You go figure out what would you all have done if your rightful job is been stolen from you and also mandated with this kind of a poverty mandate and unemployed created on purpose and no job, age factor. What would you all have done? If it is a man, it's a separate. It's a women, it's separate. I'm a woman, right? Am I a woman or a man? Oh, okay, I'll say I'm a man. Oh, okay, or am I a transgender? Whatever. You keep working on that as well. So yes, I should get the civil justice without any delay. And I, Vedapriya Prose, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, owned the text for ongoing civil justice sign-off, at fault found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Republica government and USA Democrat government as in USA Retails Hotels type agency created robocall poverty mandate, and with fatal negligence failed to educate, USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate and by default created Republica USA robocall poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and Republican government GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh in October 2018 enforced poverty mandate to Vedapriya Prose abruptly to October 2018, and Republican government of United States of America took away $4,500 on October 2018 abruptly and enforced finance debt of $10,000 plus since 2018 to October 2019, October 2020, and as of today, February 2020, to Vedapriya Prose, and also enforced disabled to finance disability to Vedapriya Prose, and it is crime for at fault found guilty of fatal negligence USA Republica government and USA Democrat government, the retails, hotel types, agency nations created robocall poverty mandate is proved. And when ruling USA, they never educated USA should never provide enforced poverty to Vedapriya, isn't it? So civil justice, I, Vedapriya Prose, want Citibank CEO to pay off my debt $10,000 plus and sign off tax-free $5,000, and at fault and found guilty of fatal negligence USA Republican government and USA Democrat government, USA FCC retails, hotels types, agencies, nations created robocall poverty mandate with fatal negligence, so must sign off tax-free $500,000 trillion to be direct deposited to my bank account for all types of damages done by selfish, cunning, Islam, Judaism, absolute monarchs types, wild endangered species, and hell creators, and at fault and found guilty, Holy Highness God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and Republican government of USA will provide needful help accordingly to be in the same page. And with this session, I also want to include one more testimony. I stood up when nobody talked for any of the housekeeping people in the hotels working, low wages people. I stood up for them. I stood up and talked for them. Even today I'm talking, right? I talk for the population who cannot talk, my dear fellow mankind. So what went wrong? What went wrong? In that hotel industry, everybody will be at least having the affordable salary, except these housekeeping people, isn't it? The housekeeping people treated less than a dirt. Right? Always. Less salary, economic status. I stood up for them. I educated them. I educated the entire national governments. Are they humans? You tell me. So, can you see why it is a multitasking? I finished reading this, so I'm done with it. But then, can you all see how the crime is displayed in a raw mode that Pope Francis and Queen Elizabeth II only created all this disaster? What if the hotels are being shut down during this COVID-19? What about all those people or the CEO to all the other people, the front desk people, or they are okay, they could survive? What about these housekeeping people? How many people would have been gone unemployed? These then they have to beg for the unemployment, and unemployment provides more tax, right? State tax and federal tax, and they will get a meager amount, just a penny, like dime, like that mode of dollars only. Even if unemployment provides more money, then they will collect it back. That's how cunning these unemployment people, they are Republica. So Pope Francis only educated them. Pope Francis educated US nation not to provide affordable salary to the housekeeping population. That is crime, isn't it? So yeah, Pope Francis will be thrown in volcano any second. Okay. So that said, yes, it is done. This session is done. So you tell me, it should be the hotels, the population, right? They should have at least educated President Trump. President Trump knows what is hotel. Either it'll be super fun, isn't it? President Trump should say he knows what is a hotel when he is owning a lot of hotels, and he owned casino as well, right? I already said he shut it down only because of my education. It'll be super fun. So why, when nobody educated President Trump do not have a birthright to create poverty for me? That is a crime. People can never be fatal negligent. So I displayed the proof, life proof, and yes, I have to get the rightful job, I have to get the rightful salary, I have to get the rightful national benefits, and I want to live free. When these people who are destroying national operations can able to live free in luxury, and that too also being worshipped as God, I'm only educating wisdom. I'm only educating public mental health process. I'm only educating birthright, the civilian rights, the human rights. Don't y'all think that I should get the rightful salary and I should get the job which I asked for? Yes, my dear fellow mankind. It hurts, right? I'm civilian. It hurts. And that too, it hurts when I own entire nations, I own all these hotels. It hurts. But then when I should get the civil justice right in front of the entire human kingdom, right in front of the entire human, all nations only. According to the Holy Bible, civil law guidance only, I should get the civil justice. Now homework for the day for you all. There is more sessions, right? I'm keep going to provide until I am able to, with best of my ability, with God-given strength. You all go and work on how these hotel population would have been impacted from COVID-19 crime in the last year, and how these housekeeping people would have been impacted by that. You all go work on it. It's never a rocket science, right? Go. It's a task for you. You one side you have to puke. Just puke. Let the St. Peter's Basilica facility, the cathedral, the Roman Catholic Christianity Church facility fill with all the 7.9 people's puke. Let it get filled. Let's see for how long it's going to get filled. And let Dr. Fauci, Dr. Brinks watch with their own eyes how Pope Francis is frying in ashes. Let them watch. I can bail Dr. Fauci and Dr. Brinks because there is innocence identified in my book of civil law. I can ask them to just get out of the earth now for whatever they did to the entire human kingdom. But I just want them to live, to watch. I get the job. I want them to live, to watch. I provide the guidance, governance, and I want them to know what exactly is clean love is all about. If they want to learn or educate or get trained what is love, I will say, do it yourself project. Go. Take responsibility. You go learn. Nobody can teach people to learn or hate, isn't it? Yes, it took 36 minutes because I have to educate. Because I have to provide that excellent governance, isn't it? You all should know what type of a complex project I was working on. And why USA should provide me that salary. And the salary is pending. I should have got it long time back. I never got it. Everybody who I helped them, whoever I helped whoever I helped, they only threw acid on me. They only threw scars on me. They only provided crucifixion for me. Why? What went wrong in humanity? What went wrong in humanity? Humanity. Yes, God is always God all the time, right? I never knew that in 2021 I'll be pushed to the edge to open this TV channel with YouTube. I just started only in January, right? January 7th. Means what? January 7th to February 7th, February 7th to March 7th. It all comes out to be the same time around when I started the Poverty Free Earth end of the year job as well. I started in March of 2014. It was around that Malaysian Airlines air crash, that time. So what went wrong in humanity? You all go, please go work on that task. It's never a rocket science. Nobody can educate nobody on regarding what is humanity, part of it, and why humanity got destroyed, part of it. You all go work on whether education failed humanity or humanity failed education. Why on the earth people even have to bother to go to schools anymore? When humanity is destroyed worldwide in different versions, in different avatars. What exactly are they teaching in the schools or the colleges? You go figure out the correct answer. And that is one of the assignment. Okay? Yes, you are all free to puke. As long, let us all see how that puke is getting filled in volumes in the St. Peter's Basilica Roman Cathedral Church, Christianity Church. Let's see what Pope Francis is going to do about that. He'll be thrown in volcano. Wait, watch and see. He cannot escape the wrath of God. No. He can think that he is a king, he's a Roman king, and he is a ruler of all the nations, enslaved all the nations, and Queen Elizabeth can think that she can get away with whatever hell she created for mankind, and Islam leaders can think, no. God is always God all the time, and even I know true God of true Christianity is a forgiving God, I am there. Oh, I will stand in front and I will talk through God of Christianity, forgiving these people. I will say they must get out of the earth. They have to get out only in the volcano, only in the state of Hawaii. That means the excellent civil justice for Hiroshima bomb and the Pearl Harbor bomb served, and that 9/11 whatever that happened, the World Trade Center, and all the civil wars worldwide in USA along that moment, when the moment Queen Elizabeth is thrown in that volcano, civil justice served, period, according to the Holy Bible guidelines only. I will read. It is clearly written. You all will get only goosebumps, right? So I will only read the names who should get out of the earth and who can live in the earth in the bailout mode, and who have to pay tax. So I have all the designs already provided. Highest level design, I have it in my brain. It just needs to be provided once when I start the job with an authority, right? And before that, I must get all the basic national benefits. I have to get affordable housing, affordable vehicle. I want to have everything new and I have to live. When these foolish people don't know how to live, they always keep fighting, they'll always torture filament. They don't know how to live. And they will not even allow other people also to live. So that creates a lot of hell for wisest only. and voices, right? So these foolish people, for allowing foolish people to live, USA have to pay me $1 billion every day. $1 billion every day. And for crime provided by Dr. Fauci and Dr. Brinks, USA have to pay me $1 billion. $1 billion. I mean, not 1 billion, sorry, $1 trillion. Let them go mad. Why? Because when I'm asking for $1 trillion, USA government have to pay $1 trillion for 7.9 plus billions of humans. Let USA go mad. They should have thought right before creating this scandal, the USA government should have thought, oh, this is why the Priya Vice's lady is there. She will stand up and slap on the face of USA government and sure will get the civil justice. They should have known. With all this education I've been providing since spring of 2014. There is no lawyers proved. There is no justice proved. There is no doctors proved. There is no teachers proved. So I have to step in. I have to provide all the tasks. But that's okay for me as long as, when I'm providing the governance, that will be healthy ways, right? And yes, it's already 43 minutes and I will cut down this session. Okay, so you all got it. I'm providing a very crucial multitasking civil justice. So one side I'm getting civil justice, one side I'm going to get all the salaries, one side I'm going to get the finance aid for the labor I'm providing, one side I'm going to get the job, the customized job offer, and one side I'm also going to start the job and I'm also going to get the medical finance compensation for entire human kingdom. Then I have to start the software design solution, architecting solutions one side. So it is a multitasking. Okay. So thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now. It is 44 minutes. So please bear with me. We are working on a very, very crucial important. So when I'm displaying the crime, entire human kingdom are witnessing it. Who is a true criminal after all? Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.